Organizations create documents daily in order to provide direction, convey new ideas, give instructions, describe processes, define specifications, as well as for many other purposes. Documents are fundamental to compliance management, but are frequently generated in an ad hoc environment, without much thought to how they will eventually be used or by whom. This undisciplined approach to document creation and distribution neglects the importance documents have to the organization in the long term. Documents can be thought of as pieces of the organization's intellectual capital and as a navigation tool for stakeholders to help guide their understanding of the purpose, expectations, processes, and success of the organization. This webinar will look at the purpose of document control, common types of document management systems, the challenges of document control, what an effective document management solution should accomplish. Document control is put in place to protect the value of the content of documents and to enhance the usefulness of that content to the people in the organization who need to use it at the time they need to use it. Document control provides a framework for deciding how information will be managed by an organization. The purpose of document control methods are to ensure documents fulfill a useful purpose. Resources are not wasted on distribution of unimportant or useless information. Information is kept up to date. This ensures people are following current and valid guidelines or working instructions. It also ensures that all staff are continually aware of any changes or improvements to key procedures or work instructions. Classified or confidential information is restricted to the necessary personnel. Information is retained that could help solve a problem, improve opportunities, avoid costly errors, or deflect potential litigation. This gives management the confidence that company policies and procedures are being followed accurately. In broad terms, document control provides a means of managing the development, approval, issue, change, distribution, maintenance, use, storage, security, and disposal of documents. There are common types of document management systems. Often with paper-based systems, information is held in multiple locations across a number of sites with no automatic trigger of upcoming or overdue tasks. They require manual tracking, which is time-consuming and error-prone. These tasks can include review, approval responses, copy holder acknowledgement, and training. With information potentially held across various applications, files, and cabinets, the risk of using out-of-date information increases, which impacts on business performance. Excel-based systems with shared drives can work well to track the document lifecycle. However, they're often mixed with paper copies which are filed for signatures. Internally developed systems can work well if they're maintained. The risk with this type of system is that if one person designs the system, the burden and responsibility falls on them to develop it along with the business needs. And if they leave the organization, their knowledge of the system can go with them, if there's not been proper communication and training among other staff. Each of these issues leaves the organization vulnerable. In summary, these systems can work to a certain degree, but are often extremely laborious, inefficient, and error-prone. What an effective document control system should do is establish a simple framework for document lifecycle management, which is ever ready for scrutiny and covers document creation, change management, management approvals, and real-time as well as historical reporting. Managing the change control process is when an electronic document management system can come into its own, as change management can be difficult and complicated to maintain. It is vital that there is one point of reference for all aspects of document management, one version of the truth, so to speak. QPulse is a software application that helps organizations manage quality, safety, and risk effectively. It eliminates the duplication of effort and the time spent searching for information in a plethora of systems, spreadsheets, databases, reports, and filing cabinets. QPulse provides all employees with a central focal point for all their compliance data, materials, and activities. This central focal point becomes crucial when documents change. as it is important to consider the ripple effect this will cause across the business. What impact will changes have on audit processes, the equipment used, staff training, and competency requirements? The system should connect document changes with process changes and vice versa. For example, when a standard operating procedure changes, those changes must then reflect in the process flows across the organization. On the flip side, as processes change with business requirements, process documentation must be updated to reflect the implemented changes. QPulse provides a suite of integrated modules to manage change and business functions effectively and efficiently, including people and training modules. These modules can play a significant role in document management as, with changes and updates being made, perhaps on a frequent basis, it is imperative that training and competencies are updated too. The majority of regulations mandate evidence of appropriate training upon changes in the documented SOPs and procedures. An effective document management system triggers the appropriate training process when required. QPulse can be used to automate the entire document lifecycle and drive performance improvement so that lessons are learned and shared. This provides confidence in your ability to effectively manage the system and showcase how much you are in control, and achieves a truly desired goal, removing the headaches for users.